Yeah, we had, walking into the clubs, it was very, very sheepish, and everyone sort of just gave me a good smirk, and a couple of boys saying you're an idiot, or a couple of boys just saying the only thing you did wrong was get caught. So we went into the team meeting that morning, and Bob was sort of just running it at the start, and just addressed pretty much the elephant in the room, and put up a nice photoshopped image of me in a Collingwood Guernsey, and I think I had sleeves on my arms, and missing a tooth, I think. So everyone had a good laugh, and I think rather than make a big thing of it, we could just sort of quash it there, and just say, this is it. We'll move past this, and just have a good laugh about it.